Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. To fix this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated error, you need to ensure you're signed in with the correct account. So what you could do is always check your credential before you sign in. So make sure that your credential or email address, your ID and all your credentials are correct. If you've actually entered in the correct information, if you're still facing issue, then you could also check your subscription status. Ensure your Office subscription is activated and hasn't expired. So to make sure you need to go to the Microsoft Office page and check for the subscription detail. So you could actually go ahead and click on the sign in option there, and then you could locate your information or the status as well. However, what you could do is, if you're still having such issue, what you could also do is you could also repair your Office installation. So try quick repair. It takes 10 to 15 minutes, or online repair takes 30 minutes or more. You could find these options in the control panel under programs and features, or by right clicking on the Microsoft Office. So for that, you want to go to the search box here, and on the search box you want to type in control panel. When you go to control panel, you want to go to program. And here what you could do is you could go in programs and feature right over here. You want to locate Microsoft Office, and when you locate it, so you want to right click on the mouse, or you want to just go ahead and click on it or double click on it, and then you could go ahead and repair it. So that should be able to help you out. Else what you could also do is, if you're still having issue, then you could also try updating. So for that, you want to go to files and then account. So here what you have to do is you want to open up your files, or you want to go to the Microsoft Office and click on file and then go to accounts, and after which you could go and click on update option and see whether you need to update it or not. Despite of doing all of these procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, you could try reinstalling the Microsoft Office, and you could also try restarting your device, and that should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.